Hello, Bobby Shaw here. I have another project you can do with your kids or yourself if you're bored. Most of you, a lot of you have been to the beach this year because it's a summer activity. And if you have kids, you probably have tons of shells that you collected, mostly clam shells, and maybe you might get some pretty basic ones like these, and they're like, they give it to you by the buckets, you know, like usually like, what am I going to do with all these shells? Well, if your kids are bored and you have shells from your shore trip or leftover shells like I did from last year, because I don't go to the beach until September, get them out and get some permanent Sharpie markers. You can paint shells, but this isn't as messy I guess if you have little kids with Sharpies, you don't want them coloring the walls or anything, but you don't have to paint out, and if you don't have paint, it's fine. So get the Sharpie markers out and have them design them. I have all these colored Sharpie markers, and you can also do this with paint, but this is just another way of doing it. So just have them design them. Color them in. I'm just going to give you a quick example here, but I think you'll get the idea. They come out really nice. Yeah, our kids have always picked up thousands of clamshells, and we never know what to do with them. One time I painted them. I had huge clam shells, which you can do. And this one's dirty. I got clean, but I painted inside with paint, and then I sealed it, and then I made it into a soap dish. So if you have really big clam shells, paint the inside, or you can even Sharpie marker the inside, make sure it's permanent, and use it for a soap dish. Okay. So you just have them, take these markers. I like to go around like the natural where they separate here and just do different designs. So here I might, I don't know, maybe I do every other one. If you have girls, they probably really like this project. Because, it's just kind of like decorating. Now, what's on my hand is actually not marker. It's actually, I have been working on a project, and I'm very messy with my paint. So, this isn't marker all over my hand, just to let you know. I just realized my hands are really messy today. My hands are usually always messy. I'm just doing a really quick example here. You can spend a lot more time on this. And yeah, I put a paper down, so in case like they want to color the edge, you don't get it on your table because this is permanent. So computer paper or newspaper, or I'm using a watercolor pad here. Okay, so you'll end up something probably more detailed than this. All right, so if your kids are bored, grab the markers out, paint if you are more ambitious and if you want to get a little more messier. But markers do great. It's just easy. You grab them, grab your shells, and decorate. And yeah, so if your kids are saying I'm bored, put them to do something creative. All right? All right, have fun with this. Till next time.